So back in the beginning of our RV life, we stayed about 60 miles south of where we are right now at a different relative's property. This was in 2016, all the way down in Minden and Gardnerville. And when I say down, I mean south of where we are now, south of the Reno area. And first year, we didn't really know a lot. Not that we know a lot now, but we didn't know a lot at all then. We didn't have a no snowflake policy. We didn't have a 100-mile driving day policy. We didn't have any policies at all. We literally flew by the seat of our pants. You ready to smile? We're going to throw back a video from 2016. Hold on. Might want to put your winter clothes on for this one. Let's go watch.
The following program is brought to you in living color.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Daisy is in her element. She is a snow dog, and we have snow. Look at her, she's just laying down. We just let her out. She's been begging Daddy to get out and go outside.
This is what we woke up to. Great.
Yep.
Now we got to get on the roof and get this thing cleaned off. I'll hand you the broom.
Okay. You have to document. I can't get to the mountains from here because it can slide out, but can't see them anyway. Still flurrying a little bit. Snow. So the sun is starting to come out. We woke up to all this snow. Tom's going to get the ladder so that we can get it off of the roof and the slides and everything. Tom's breaking up the ice for the animals. Walking in a winter wonderland.
Okay, I fed the horses.
Oh, good. Give him some hay, huh?
Chopped up the slush in the drinking, so they've all got water. Goats got water.
Daisy is so excited. There's snow! Daisy, there's snow! She's a snow dog. She's a Montana snow dog. Come, Pepper.
There you go.
Snow started around 1:15-ish or so. It was funny all evening. Tom kept saying, well, we're going to have snow at 9:30. Well, we're going to have snow at 12:30. Well, they changed it again. We're going to have snow at 11:45. Nope, well, they changed it again to 8:30. Nope, now it's 12:30 again. It was changing like every 15 minutes. And when I got up with Daisy in the middle of the night, it was about 1:15. And when she went out, it was just starting to snow. There was nothing on the ground yet. It hadn't started sticking. She came in with snow on her back and could see the flurries. And then when I got up about an hour and a half later, it had started to stick and it was snowing a little bit more. And then when we got up at, what, just before 7? About 6:30-ish. This is what we had. The trees are so pretty. on to the other side. As you can see, we had our water disconnected and we just filled up our fresh water tank. We even emptied the hoses and put them away. Our poop pipe is still out, but by the time that we drain, we'll do like hot water in the shower or something and let that drain through. It should be fine. Looks like the sun's going to be coming out anyway. So now that you've got the slides all taken care of, when you do the roof, you're going to have to push it on different, where the slides are not. What is there, like about 3 inches?
Probably 3, right at 3.
Right now he's over the vent over the bathroom. You can probably tell that because of the window. What's Daddy doing, Daisy? You have snow on your nose. Look at you. Are you happy, girl? Wag your tail if you're happy. Yes, you're happy. And now he is on the vent over our bed in the bedroom.
Daisy, hey, here.
Daddy's throwing
Daisy,
snow at you.
Here. Daisy. Daisy.
When we lived in Montana and we would shovel and you get that big scoop of snow and you fling it off of the sidewalk or the deck or whatever, she would jump at it and bite at it and bark, and oh, it was just so funny. She loved doing that. Might be able to find some old video of that, I don't know. Here comes the sun. Doo-doo-doo.
Is there enough snow for me to just jump?
No.
Okay.
No, sir. Be careful, it's all going to be very slippery. Woohoo!
Well done.
Good.
Time for a warm bath in our little bitty bathtub.
Uh-huh. Good morning, kids. You come play in the snow? Huh, kids?
Don't trip over.
Okay. So Kurt wanted us to get the snow off of this, just in case there might be any kind of holes in the tarp. If the water drips down into the hay, it'll start molding. Good morning. How you doing? Come on, baby. How you doing, handsome boy? How you doing? Say good morning. Say good morning. April's eating. Look at you. You got your hay all over the place. Silly horsies. You can see the mountains now. Look at that. Just a little bit ago, you couldn't see them. Look how pretty. Wow. Tom's going to get the snow off of the back of our truck, off the cover. I don't want that caveman. Or water even leaking. We do have some stuff under there. job, mister. Ready to go have some eggs for breakfast? You gonna take a hot shower first?
Eggs, hash
Eggs.
browns, tater tots,
Eggs.
french fries,
Eggs.
bacon, sausage,
Eggs.
and a steak.
Eggs.
And I'll expect it in
Eggs.
15 minutes.
Eggs.
I must be going back to sleep to dream.
Yeah, you must be.
Who likes snow and cold weather while living in an RV besides Lori? Put on your left blinker. Just as I thought. So hopefully you enjoyed this throwback video from 2016. We had fun doing it for you. Listen, if you're new to the channel, click subscribe, then ring the bell and get notified every time we put up a brand new video. We do that every Saturday with our coffee chats, and then on Wednesday you get a What Up Wednesday video, and during the summer you get throwback videos on Wednesday. So we've always got something up our sleeves for you, even if it is a snowy video. Thank you guys so much for being with us and for watching. Thumbs up, please. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it.